I'll be teaching you how to count from 1 to 20 in Korean. Hello everyone, for today's video, I'll be teaching you how to count from 1 to 20 in Korean. So, kasi may dalawang versions yan. There's native and South Korean. So, I'll be teaching you the native Korean version. Because I think that's more easy, I guess.
First is number 1. In Korean, number 1 is Hana. Say it with me. Hana. Hana. Next is number 2. Two in Korean is dul. Say it with me. Dul. The third one is the number 3. In Korean, we say it as set. Like mindset pa yun. Charot! Ha! Next is number 4. 4 in Korean is net. Net. Fifth number is the number 5. Number 5 in Korean is dasot. Say it with me, dasot. The number 6 in Korean is pronounced as yosot. Say it with me, yosot. Next, number 7 is ilgop. Again, 7 is ilgop. And next, number 8 in Korean is pronounced as yodol. Again, yodol. The ninth number, which is the number 9, is pronounced as ahop in Korean. Say it with me, ahop. The 10th number is the number 10, obviously, and we pronounced it as yol. 11 in Korean is pronounced as yol hanna. Just a combination of yol and hanna, number 10 and number 1. And next is yoldul, which is number 12 in Korean. Again, yoldul is 12. Number 13 in Korean is yolset. Yolset. Again, number 13 in Korean is yolset. 14 is Yolnet in Korean. Say it with me. Yolnet. Yolnet. That is the number 14 in Korean. Yoldasot is number 15 in Korean. Say it with me. Yoldasot. That's the number 15 in Korean. Next is the number 16. Number 16 in Korean is Yolyosot. Say it with me. Yolyosot. Next is number 17. Yolilgop. Say it with me. Yolilgop. That's how you say 17 in Korean. Yolilgop. The number 18 in Korean is Yolyodol. That's how you write it. And this is how you pronounce it. Yolyodol. Say it with me. Yolyodol. The second to the last number is the number 19. That's how you write the number 19 in Korean. And this is how you pronounce it. Yol ahop. Say it again. Yol ahop. The last number is the number 20. And yes, iba na ako how the way you write it. Yeah, because it's the number 20. But anyways, 20 in Korean is pronounced as sumul. Again, sumul. Someone is confused. I think that's how you pronounce it. Sumul. But yay, we're done. So let's rewind from the start. Number 1 is hana, dul, set, net, dasot, yosot, ilgop, yodol, ahop, yol, yolhana, yoldul, yolset, yolnet, yoldasot, yolyosot, yolilgop, yolyodol, yolahop, sumul. That's it. 안녕히 가세요. Please don't forget to click the like and the subscribe button. That's it for today. 안녕.